Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by writing down the original function and marking its key points, intercepts, and important features. Next, identify the horizontal shift H and vertical shift K you want and express the target as FXH plus K. Why do this? Because separating shifts preserves shape and makes computation mechanical. Once done, pick one easy test point from the original, apply the algebraic shifts, and plot it. This confirms direction and magnitude. It prevents sign mistakes before you translate the rest of the graph. Now you carry out each algebraic substitution with care. Replace x by xh to move horizontally. Remember the sign, fx3 shifts right 3. Then add k to move vertically. Fx plus 2 raises it by 2. Make sure to simplify algebraic results so you can evaluate quickly. Meanwhile, transform every critical coordinate. If A, B was critical, it becomes a plus h, b plus k, given our sign choices. Once those coordinates are updated, sketch them and connect. The graph shape stays identical, only location changes. Finish by plotting several transformed points and verifying global features like symmetry, vertex, and any asymptotes. This ensures the entire graph moved consistently. Label the new intercepts and state the shifted domain and range explicitly so nothing is ambiguous. If the sketch or values look wrong, use one key troubleshooting step. Recheck the sign convention for the horizontal shift and the order of substitutions, then reevaluate a simple test point. That single check resolves most translation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.